Get a picture of him first.
It's rolling.
Oh. Okay. Ready for your first spoonful of avocado and breast milk? Want to try it? What do you think? Ooh. What do you think? Is that strange? Do you want some more? Need some more of that? Don't think much of that, do you? Although you didn't freak out as much as the bananas. Let's see.
I don't think he swallowed what he had to begin with. He didn't know how to swallow yet. He's only 4 months old. Are you eating food?
Yeah, he's eating food. Look at that, it's food on the baby. Green bib and green food, you match.
What are you doing? What is this stuff in the mouth? You're eating foods. You're eating foods.
He's not eating very much. Most of it comes right back out.
You're starting to look like your grandpa.
Yeah, not quite sure what to do with food, are you?